Well, here I am back on Broken Top. The route's a 14-mile round trip with over 3,800 feet of elevation gain in the Deschutes National Forest. The route starts out with a casual trail that meanders around a creek, passing several waterfalls before topping out at Green Lakes. From Green Lakes, the trail steepens until it eventually breaks out of the trees onto the ridge. The summit ridge is really rocky. It'll take you straight up to the summit pinnacle where you'll go from class 3 scramble conditions to mild rock climbing. Started out at 6:30. I just had a quick coffee at the car and I got a little food with me for a little breakfast later. So glad I hit this early so there's no mosquitoes. It's just so pleasant in here. It's been about 45 minutes and I'm finally crossing the stream. Indian paintbrush, I presume. Well, it's been an hour and a half and I'm entering the Green Lakes camping area. This is the area all the smart people are camping in. Last time I climbed Broken Top, I camped right over there on the other side of the water. Look at all the baby tadpoles. I'm about 20 minutes above Green Lakes now, in this last clearing before scrambling up the ridge to Broken Top. There's still some pieces of snow around here, but nothing to bring crampons or an ice axe for. Not in July. Alright, I've just broken out onto the ridge for the first panoramic view. It's a good one. You can actually see Mount Scott by Crater Lake, and then Mt Thielsen, Diamond Peak, South Sister, Middle Sister, North Sister, Washington, Three Finger Jack, Jefferson, Mount Hood, and I can see Adams way back there. Look at all the glory here. Look at these fresh, supple little cones. I believe this is the endangered white pine. I'm approaching my third hour, crossing 8,500 foot of elevation. I'll basically shoot up another 500 feet before putting a helmet on and carefully climbing the last 200 foot or so. The climbing pitches are pretty short because of the shelf-like structure, so it's right within my comfort zone. Free stuff. Now we're underneath the first rock climbing shelf. Rope climbers are going straight up or around the other side. I'm gonna go down right over here and go up a notch. See the equipment of that rope team. Fortunately, they all went ahead so I can just press on. So coming up that shelf right there was the most difficult part for me. This part is just good, clean fun, well protected. But then crossing the last two traverse areas is relatively safe. You just gotta avoid stepping on loose rock or slipping or passing out, you know. Notice it's loose and rubbly, but there's a white stripe, and that stuff's pretty solid. Just got a little slant to it, but it won't fail you.
Hi there.
Sorry, cramp your style.
No.
Woohoo! Nice. Alright, it's fortunate that there was a climbing group up here, because for those of you who are interested in being safer, you see there's plenty of good options for anchoring this traverse up, because you really don't want to roll down that. And they did a really good job. As usual, just a little awkward climbing with camera in my hand. Definitely want to take your time up here. Be careful. It's a damn good view up here. Looking back down at that saddle, and we know from there on it's a nice scramble that turns back into a beautiful trail hike. So that shelf that the woman's rappelling now is the most difficult pitch of the standard route. I went around the other side of that rock to the right to another notch that I like. All right, after 4 hours and 20 minutes, I'm back down on the saddle. I think I got enough footage on the way up, so I'm not gonna film the way down. But before leaving y'all, I just want to show you some pictures I've taken from this point at different times of the year, because it's one of the best views in the Cascades. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.